with dams across the world, hydroelectric is a technology that's been around for a long time, but a lot of the dams are part of an aging infrastructure. Instrumentation is a very key part of understanding if facilities continue to operate as they should, or if there are any problems that are developing. So when we're using instrumentation at dams, the things that we're concerned about are increase in seepage through the dam, increase in pressures that are coming underneath the dam, or overtopping or movement of slopes, stability issues that we might be looking at. So a lot of the instruments that we're looking at from a geotechnical stability standpoint, whether those are piezometers, extensometers, uplift pressure cells, inclinometers as well, those are really important for us understanding that the structures are still behaving as we expect and that we don't have any kind of slow forming or quickly forming failure modes that we should be concerned about. When it comes to instrumentation for hydroelectric dams, Geosyntec is a leader both for the instrumentation because we understand how the instruments work, how to install them, but also because we are very good at interpreting the data given our background in geotechnical engineering. So you're not just getting a contractor who's out there installing it, you're also getting the expertise from start to finish.